Hi guys, James here. Welcome to part 4 of the Jadlam Spitfire group build. Now, as you can see, I've literally just got the canopy glued on, and what a challenge that was to fit. Needless to say, some trimming and some swearing was involved in that. Obviously, cleaned up the seams as best I can. Obviously, once it's got a primer coat on it, I'll be able to see them a bit better, like so. But yeah, but that's not what this part's about. This part is because I had a delivery. As I said yesterday, I'd placed an order with Outlaw paints. This obviously is through Moz 6510 models. And Mum, while I was having my afternoon siesta, Mum picked up a phone call from him, and he said he'd emailed these out, emailed my paints out first class. So here we go. Obviously, took the information off here, so we can have a little bit of an unboxing here. So, oops, have to hide that. And we can have a look in the box. So, lots of very well packed in here, and that is the paints. Alright, we should have a look at that in a bit. We appear to be missing the tape. So, gloss clear. That's the blue. And that's the red. But, as yet, where is the tape? Whoops. I shall have to contact Moz, because the masking tape isn't here, so I would only assume that he's got some on order. Anyhow, so that's enough for this exciting part of this part. So I'll see you again soon. Hi guys, James here, and we're back. And yes, the spare tape has arrived. Never trust my mum to take a message, because she gets all confused with it, bless her. So I did clarify that through with Moz, and they obviously they were sent special delivery to arrive yesterday morning. Obviously they did arrive, but then then post my usual our usual posties out, and I managed to get them this morning. So, which is correction is Saturday. So here we have the Spit. Obviously, underside is painted azure blue, as you can see, and the tail feathers are as well. Hopefully today we'll get the tail feathers masked up on the transport joint is here. Obviously that bit is a bolt-on bit, so hopefully we'll get the transit joint masked up. Get the wings get everything masked up here, and yeah, obviously then we've got some fun and games to do the paint down the side, the lines down the side, and yeah, so hopefully at some point today she'll have red on her. She'll have the signal red on her here, so she'll look quite spectacular. So sorry that's going to be brief. It'll be this is a bit brief, but pause it there and we'll see you in a bit. Hi guys, back again. As you can see, we have some colour on the top side of the Spitfire. We have some red, some insignia red, as you can see, or signal red as it's called. Hopefully I shall get the bits masked up and get it painted blue next. So we'll see you in a bit. So there's the Spitfire all masked up. Masked up, fingers crossed. This is where it goes horribly wrong. So see you in a bit. Now I've got some touching up to do, but yeah baby, the Shagfire is born. So on that bombshell I'm going to let it dry, take all the masking off and let it dry, and then I'll plan of attack is to mask it up tomorrow and touch up the white, because it should be fairly straightforward to do that. So thanks for watching, bye for now.